20 minutes later.
I thought it was gonna sprinkle.
It like hit my windshield at first, and I was like, what the
A couple of them hurt. That hit me in like the arm, so I was like, oh.
Are you serious? It's hailing so bad. You can't hear it now, but it was so bad earlier. Like literally gonna break my car. This guy.
I almost died up there.
Kevin almost died. He said it was freaking killing him. And then Jacob's up there. He doesn't know why we're stopped still, I don't think. You're recording this whole thing? Yes, I'll be on YouTube, my dudes. Yes. Bro, look, you opened the door for 2 seconds. It is literally a...
Yeah, I saw him fly in.
Look, I didn't leave my phone there. Hey, take this to get all the hail. You know when it's coming, you slice it in midair.
Okay.
Your GoPro's all fogged up, my dude.
Probably didn't capture anything. Did you put ice in there?
No, I was hitting this. Oh, in the glove, yes.
I'm going right now.
Hey, Jacob.
Oh!
Go quick.
Okay.
Yeah. I know, that was crazy. Kevin's going right now. Oh.